Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video. We're going to have a little bit specifications and information on these Ryobi 4 amp hour RyobiDays kits that's going on during June. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So we're just gonna be, we're just gonna do a quick unboxing on these guys. So these are all the same kit. I ended up grabbing 3 free tools with these 3 free $300 or $99 battery kits. So we're gonna open these boxes up. We're gonna take the batteries out. I'll throw in the scale too, see what the batteries weigh, because I didn't have any Ryobi tools until now. Alright, so let's bring this light over. Turn this one off. This one on. So this is U.S.1006-023-029 kit number, or kit model information is Paul Sam Kilo 006. There's 3 of them here. So these are the style that they have glued closed. There's a charger. Got an instruction booklet. Cordless 1 plus 40 volt. Okay, so this is like what I have up here for the Makita right here and the Milwaukee right here. So these are little pamphlets, 50 plus 40 volt tools. Over 175 plus on 18 volt. So that is what that is. So I'll probably hang these up as well. Instruction booklet. Okay, so we got an operator's manual for the charger. We have operator's manual for the batteries, and then I think this might be a registration card right here. Got information about different drills, drywall screws, so part numbers for different units. So glue gun P305, 306, and the new one is the 307. So we have the 305 and the 306. I'll keep a lookout for the 307. So it's got information on it for different tools. Got that one. Put that box on the ground. These batteries have this battery has 1 bar. This battery also has 1 bar. So these are not the fancy batteries that have I believe the 2 little prongs on the back for specific tools. This does have a prong right here in the front. This is a 1 plus battery, according to the stickers on the side. This charger is a PSK006. It does have a mounting slot, so you can mount it to a wall, which is nice. This will take lithium plus HP 18 volt. It'll take lithium plus 18 volt, and it'll take regular lithium 18 volt batteries. So these are just the generic regular 18 volt lithium battery. So it's this guy right here in the corner. So these are not the plus 18 volt or the plus HP. So these are not fancy batteries by any means. This says it's a 60-watt charger. The biggest one I found was an 85-watt charger. And they did have, the 40-volt has a 295-watt charger, but you know, you guys that know more about Ryobi, let me know what charger is better. I am looking for the fastest charger you can find. I don't mind having a trickle charger every once in a while, but it would be nice to have whatever the fastest charger is available. Is always nice. So that box is empty. Same information as the first one. Another charger. See what these batteries are at. This one is at 1 bar. This one is also at 1 bar. I'm just gonna open all these kits real quick. It does have the little NSA tracking tags in the inside, which is a little joke. Another charger. I figured, you know, getting these kits, 3 of them was plenty. I could have bought a lot of these tools for probably cheaper than buying all the kits. Because $300 just for the kits, for the batteries. Which isn't bad though. So these are the generic ONE+ batteries. Has fan, jigsaw, chainsaw, light, circular saw, and drill on the batteries, which is kind of interesting. I've never seen that before. They're all the same. So what I got total out of all 3 of those boxes, move this down. This is everything I've gotten. It's interesting how they're the cables are permanently affixed to the charger. So this is everything that was in those boxes. There's 6 batteries total, 3 chargers, your instruction booklets and everything that I put over here. So real quick, what does one of these batteries weigh? With 1 bar of charge. 1 pound, 9.0 ounces, which is not bad. Charger by itself, 8.7 ounces. If you put the charging brick on top, it is 14.8 ounces. So it's a little bit shy of 2 pounds, which is not bad. Just a quick video. We opened all those boxes real quick. Just a quick measurement on weights for the chargers as well as the batteries. I will charge one of these up. We'll probably weigh it in a different video as well, fully charged. I do appreciate you guys sticking around. These are just a couple of the items that I picked up. We still got a bunch of other Ryobi stuff to open. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I wanted to originally open, you know, a battery pack with the free tool that I got for that battery pack, but it seems to be shorter video if I just open all the batteries at once and then we open each individual tool separately. I hope that is okay with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, that these videos are a little bit shorter. Definitely wanting them to be under 20 something minutes, and we're at 10 minutes. So I also want to say thank you to all the people that like, comment, and subscribe. People that dislike, like, comment, people that watch the videos, whether you're subscribed or not. I want to thank all subscribers, non-subscribers, people that watch the ads every once in a while, people that use the affiliate links. You guys are the reason that the channel is monetized and is making money, and I'm going to be putting every dime that I make from the channel back into the channel. We're going to be picking up some Sheetmaster jaw horses that I personally need, but they'll come in handy for the channel. I'm going to be buying wood with the channel money as well. We're going to use that wood on the jaw horses. We're going to start doing demo videos. Milwaukee versus, you know, DeWalt versus Makita versus Bosch, so and so, Metabo. We got Milwaukee M12 and M18. We now have Ryobi 18 volt. We got Metabo HPT 18 volt, 36 volt. We got regular Metabo 18 volt. We got Bosch 18 volt core. We got 12 volt, 18 volt, and 36 volt X2 Makita, as well as we're going to be bringing the 40 volt and 80 volt Makita tools that just came out to the channel. We got DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt Extreme, 20 volt XR. We have 60 volt Flex Volt, 120 volt Flex Volt tools. We got regular Metabo 18 volt. We got Earthquake XT 12 volt and 20 volt cordless tools. We got some old 18 volt Bosch Tix tools. I have a lot of corded Makita, Bosch, and Porter cable tools, as well as some Black & Decker corded tools that we could do testing on and stuff like that. So if any of that is interesting to you guys, please smush the bell notification icon for future updates on head-to-heads and more Ryobi tools and stuff like that. I do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for being here and sticking around for the video. If there's any specific information you guys would like on these Ryobi tools, let me know. I'll see what I can do. I can't guarantee that I'm going to buy any hammer drills or impact drivers because I have plenty of them. I've got 12 or 13 impact drivers or more. I got 9 or 10 hammer drills. I don't really need any more, but you guys, if you guys want to send me one of these Ryobi tools to put head-to-head with something else, you know, go ahead and try to get a hold of me. I can see if we can do that. You know, if you guys have tools that are old, that you have upgraded and you don't need the older one and you want me to test them, by all means, I can give you my guys' information down below and let me know. Appreciate you guys' time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!